Hi guys and welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Riding shotgun today is my best friend and favourite accompaniment when I'm cooking, Imogen. And today we're going to be making my infamous turkey and gorgonzola stuffed mushrooms, and they are fabulous. Let's have a look at the ingredients. So here I've got 225 grams of turkey mince. I've literally put that in a pan for 2 minutes with 2 cloves of crushed garlic. A slice of bread, which I've made into breadcrumbs. I've got a teaspoon each of oregano and thyme. I've then got 125 grams of mascarpone cheese, and here half a slice, if you like, of gorgonzola cheese. So if you imagine a wedge, I've just cut it in half, and that's it. So let's get started. So Imogen, are you going to do this bit?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I move this over here, I'm going to give you a bowl, like so. Do you want a glove to do this?
Yeah.
It might be advisable.
I don't really want...
Which hand are you going to use? That one? Oh, you do it a lot easier than I do, that's
I
for
look
sure.
like the lady out of, Incredibles.
Ah, very good, very good. Or a cat burglar. Okay, so we're going to start with that. Let's go over that.
What is this stuff?
That's your turkey.
Is this turkey?
Yeah, just dump it all in there. I'll hold that for you, don't worry. That's it. Do you want me to take the bowl? Perfect. What do you want to go with next?
The breadcrumbs.
Okay. Guys, this is a really, really quick and simple dish.
It's good for when you have friends over, right?
Very good when you have friends over. Yes, absolutely. And there you go. There's your herbs. They can all go in.
So this one's the what?
That's the thyme.
And then that one's dill.
No, that one's oregano.
Oh, it looks like dried dill.
It's similar. Okay. And then there's your mascarpone. You might need a spoon to put that in there.
Yeah.
There you go.
Ooh,
Oh,
I
look,
thought it was going
came
to be
out-
like Greek yogurt or something.
Yeah, it came out in one lump. Handy.
Because it
Okay. And then you want some cheese. Here you go. So I really need you to crumble that into that
like
mix.
feta.
Yeah, just crumble it because we're going to mix. You're going to mix it all in with your hands, but just do. We're going to keep some of that cheese back because we're going to top the mushrooms with that in a minute. Oh, let my fingers up. Gorgonzola's lovely. You right?
Yeah. It's sticking to the glove a bit, but...
Yeah, well, that's all right because your hands are going to go in there anyway. You're doing a great job. Doing a great job. Just get it all off. That's it. And we'll keep the skin bit, but just, take all that lovely...
It's a bit squished, the skin.
That's
but
okay. Here you go. You can chuck that last bit in there.
There you
Perfect.
go. There's
Okay,
your skin.
get rid of that. Okay. And then, shall I do this bit? Because you've obviously got your hands a bit dirty. We're going to go in with a pinch of salt. I don't want too much because the gorgonzola is salty. So I don't want to over salt. And then a good pinch of cracked black pepper. Yeah? Okay. So now's the fun bit. You can go in with your hands. And I want that all really scrunched up.
Okay, so like into some sort of
just,
like...
Yeah, just use that hand probably. Yeah, that's it. I'll hold the bowl for you.
I'm doing that circular move that you usually do.
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, you got it off to a tick. Doing a great job.
It feels like I'm playing with really like, what's it called, like cookie dough.
Like cookie dough, yeah?
But like obviously,
That's okay.
it's like not dough, it's like the opposite because it's like a main meal.
That's it. Just make sure you get all of this stuff here. That's it. Incorporate it all in. Just give it a good scrunch together. Oh, don't worry about that. It's fine.
So what's the point of the mascarpone? Like what is mascarpone?
Mascarpone is a cheese. It's like it's a soft cheese, a bit like cream cheese. Yeah, it's that sort of consistency as you saw. But it's really good because it acts as a binder in this recipe, but also makes it really nice and creamy, which is what you want. It's quite flavourless, to be honest. It doesn't really taste of a lot.
When I first looked at it, I thought it was Greek yogurt because it looks a bit like Greek yogurt.
Yeah, very similar. That's it. I think you're done. That looks good. Okay. Okay, you can take that glove off now, and I'll get rid of that for you.
I think I might want to.
There we go. See, look, now you've got nice clean hands. And that's what you're looking for. That's what the mix looks like. Okay? So that's done. Right, Imogen?
Yeah.
Next, we need to stuff our mushrooms.
With that?
Yeah, you're going to stuff it with that. So I've actually got 4 portobello mushrooms here. They were a little bit bigger. These ones have shrunk a little bit. And all I've done with these to basically get rid of some of the water that comes out of the mushrooms, if I put them in a pan for about 1.5 minutes each side, and that's just drawn out that water, which we don't really want in there. This makes a great starter. So one of these stuffed, and you'll see we're going to sort of really pile it high as we can. One of those each as a starter would be great, so that would feed 4. Or if it's a main course, which we're having it like tonight, my wife and I, is we'll have 2 of those with some salad, and it is fantastic. Okay, Imogen, so I'm going to give you a spoon, and what we need to do is start putting a bit of the mixture on each of the mushrooms.
And then I go back
You
with...
need probably, yeah, go in with a bit more. That's it. You want a good scoop of it, because you're going to put quite a lot on there. That's it. Go on, a big lump of it.
Like that?
Yeah.
More?
And again, yeah. Oh, that's okay. Don't worry. What I'll do, I'll help you out. Look, we're going to push it down a little bit. Like
I think
so.
that's...
Go on, and again, yeah, on top of there. That's it, and then push it down. Lovely. So the whole thing is covered. Yeah, like so.
Any more for that one?
Try that one, and then if there's any left, we can always go back round and refill it. Yep, go. Perfect.
That was actually a really good amount.
That was a good one. Like an ice cream scoop, that one.
Bit more?
It. Go on to the next one next, and then we can always come back and go back round. That's fine.
This one's quite a small one.
Okay.
So.
It is, but I'm hungry, so that's it. Perfect. I'll smush that one down. Go on to the big one. I have got my eye on that one for myself.
Oh, we're gonna have
But
to
I might
see.
be fought for it. I might be fought for it.
Bit more.
Yep. Yeah, go on this one. This one's going to take a lot, this bad boy. That's
Bit
it.
too much.
No. That's fine. Okay. And then let's revisit the first one.
We've got a lot of mixture actually to go around. So.
It was a good point you make, because obviously because we're having this as a main course, we're only having it with salad. And turkey is really low fat. It's actually really good for you. I know
So
we've got
having a
tons
lot
of
of
cheese
it.
and other stuff, but you can freeze this mix once it's done, so you can always use it again, which is great. So if you do make too much, that's it, perfect. You can always freeze it. There we go, lovely. Look at that. Oh, you've got them with the hands as well now. Perfect.
Easier than a spoon, but...
Your most useful tools in the kitchen, your hands. That's it.
Oh, that was a little for that one.
Go on, put a bit more on this one, come on.
Well, because you're going to have it.
Maybe, yeah. That's it.
We've still got a bit more.
Okay, let's use it up. Come on, let's really pack these out. Great thing about it, because you've got the mascarpone in it, Imogen, is it just sticks together like that. It's really pliable and mold.
I think
mold it.
I think the mascarpone is the bit that makes it into the dough.
Yeah, it is. It's like a sort of like a glue almost, I guess. But also you've got those breadcrumbs in there, which do help.
But let's hope it doesn't make it taste like glue.
So how are we doing? You got any mix left?
I'd say we've got about a spoonful.
That little fella there, look.
They
Feels a
look
bit
like
left out.
mini food Christmas trees.
Maybe take a bit of that one off.
And put it on.
Chuck it on the big
Oh,
one,
yeah,
obviously.
Yeah. Okay, you know what? Never waste mix.
Okay. And then what we want to do is we had that last bit of the Gorgonzola left, yeah?
Yeah.
So what you want to do is just tear off. I'll show you how we do it. Yeah, just tear a little bit off.
And then
we're going to
top it on the top.
Yeah, there you go.
And then the
As
star.
soon as we've both got messy hands now.
So, as
That's
I call
like
it,
that. Perfect.
this is the Christmas tree, and then this is the star that goes on top.
There you go. Let's push that one down a little bit.
Yeah, that one's quite high.
Yeah, that is high. That's it. I love blue cheese. So for me,
There we go. That's packed.
this is wonderful. Okay, so what do we need to do next? Do you know?
Put it in the oven.
It does need to go in the oven, yes. At 180 for 15 minutes, okay? So do you want to wash your hands quickly? Just wipe your hands. Perfect.
Work with
I
the
will
chum.
wipe mine as well. I shall open the oven for you. Be careful because it is hot and I want that to go.
I think I'm almost tall enough.
Oh, I think you're doing a great job. Perfect, that's it. Slide her in. All right?
Yeah.
And there it is. So it's in the oven. We'll see you shortly. Okay. They're now out of the oven and they have come out beautifully. We've got a nice sort of browning colour on there. They're cooked to perfection. Can't wait to try these, Imogen. Okay, so I'll move this over here. Imogen, you bring your plate in. I'm going to dish you up one. You want that little one there?
Sure.
And Imogen has actually prepared us a salad. So Imogen, do you want to dish some of that up?
Yeah.
There you go, you got it?
Okay.
Is cucumber one of your favourite things?
Yes. And cucumber's a fruit, so
Perfect.
sadly I couldn't say like that strawberries were my favourite fruit because
I'll take that
cucumber
out of you
are
now.
a fruit, so.
Okay. And I've got a little surprise for you because I know it's your favourite. If you want to do some sort of chefy thing with your balsamic glaze.
This stuff is my favourite. I just like balsamic vinegar in general, so.
Oh, wow. Very artistic. You're going to do a bit over the mushroom or?
No,
No?
I'm not going to ruin the mushroom, just
Okay.
in case I don't like it.
I've also got you a knife and fork. There
That's
you go.
needed.
So, let's see how we've done.
Okay, right, I'm just going to do a little bit at first to see how this is. Oh, doesn't want to go on the fork. It's cooking good.
It's cooking good. Can I try a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh. Does look good. That really is cooking good. The Gorgonzola with the turkey, I feel it shouldn't work, but it really does work. It's such a great dish. As I said before, great as a starter or as a main course. Either way, I'm sure you will enjoy this one. I'll put all the recipe details down below. As always, please do like and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. It's cooking good.